நீ வாங்குற இந்த 10-5 பிச்சைக்கு இது தேவைதானா?
Mic check. Let's go. Welcome back to the Indiverse podcast, people. Your one-stop shop for all things indie. Right now, Right now, it may not seem like we are on a podcast, or you may not seem like you're on a podcast channel. But yes, this is a podcast channel. But we also do content. It's like RCB. They're a content team that also plays cricket. We are a podcast channel that also does content. It is early morning, 6:30. I don't know why we put ourselves in this situation. The peeps are all waiting in Mahima's house. So, okay, before all these peeps come, okay, I'm thinking, should we do like a secret challenge? But if you have to do, what secret challenge do we do? Hey. Okay, it's early morning time. Who utters the word breakfast? Okay, we'll keep it like that. We'll get $100. I might not keep a count, but when I edit, obviously there'll be a count. Do not expect me to tell at the end of this video.
Let's do that.
All sleepy heads. Absolutely sleepy heads.
Good morning.
What?
What? Hey, wait. Let me do the duties first. Let me do the duties.
Moms,
Okay. Yes.
how was your back?
Back. Good morning.
What's up, Any fam? Good morning. 1 minute. It's not recording.
Eda?
So because it should be on first.
It's on.
Shubhodaya.
Where?
Abhina?
That's the way you breathe from
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Hey,
Hello.
Mine is still
Good
cuxing over.
morning.
Hello.
All
Okay,
done?
I think that's-
Ready to go? I don't know where
Yes.
you're going.
Let's
I
go.
suppose.
We'll probably go to Clarence and come back.
Which is also a good thing. It's not a problem. I won't mind. Because it's not
Where I work.
Hey, she disclosed the cucks.
Oh no, that's not where I work.
Idli soltaka.
But in the meantime, please introduce yourself, peeps.
Yaar first day.
We start with hi.
Good morning, everybody. We just woke up from sleep.
Come on.
You should have seen my sleep vlog.
It's one of those days where you don't want to wake up from bed. But then, we just have to because today is the first episode shoot for the podcast.
Let's introduce ourselves. I'll start.
Yes.
So, good morning, Indiverse fam.
Party. I see the front party. Ladies and gentlemen, life. How is life? We are not in the studio room.
Why are we not in the studio room, Masha?
Very informal way of telling this, we do not have guests on our show, so we are doing this content.
See, we need content. So,
Wow.
what else to do? Myself, Frederick Edwin, and I am a singer, songwriter, an indie songwriter.
Wow.
We just celebrated Independence Day. I'm also a counseling psychologist.
He might not look like one, but yes.
I may not look like one.
All his clients do looking at this.
This is what the clients are looking at. And then we have.
I already introduced myself. Go back.
Already introduced the drummer. All you told
I
us.
know, I didn't tell all that.
He's a drummer. Tell, you're a
Hi.
drummer producer. He's a drummer producer.
I'm a drummer producer.
Slash keyboardist.
Drummer producer.
Slash keyboardist.
Drummer producer.
All
Again, drummer
are
So that is about him. He's a wonderful man.
எங்க மம்மி காலையில தான் எரும மாடே அப்படின்னு திட்டி அமிச்சாங்க.
Yes.
But yes.
I reckon it.
Very talented young man.
Talking about talented young men,
Yes.
we go to the back seat.
To the back seat.
Hey, நான் man இல்ல.
Talented young man, Jessica.
Oh.
I am Rohan Cyril.
Yes.
I am.
The one and only.
One and only.
Cyrus is his brother. He is not Cyrus's brother.
I am. I don't know what to tell first.
I'm a podcast host now. Did you all know that? I'm a podcast host.
Jesus Christ.
I ask questions in podcast. That I do.
What do you do for a living means you'll tell like this.
No, I'm starting the whole stuff. Podcast host, teacher, drummer,
Okay.
student also, still studying
Studying what?
aviation.
Oh my god!
ஏதோ தெரியாம மாதிரி அவன் reaction பண்ணான். Everyone here knows that.
I'm so excited for him to be a pilot.
ஏதோ okay. Her plane is gonna crash.
Mahima!
She's a baby.
Hello, everyone.
Hi.
She's like the youngest
Baby.
one.
Rather?
Like baby of the group.
Baby of the group.
Yeah, but everyone listens to me.
Kulandai.
Okay, yeah. My name is Mahima Zubel.
AKA Magma.
AKA Mahima Sundari. Parama Sundari.
I am a student,
Student.
Yeah.
Student.
that's all. I'm doing my second year. I'm aspiring to be a data analyst.
Hey!
Nobody has aspired to be a data
analyst.
ever. They just get there, that's all.
Okay,
And then?
fine, I sing sometimes.
Okay.
Okay.
But I'm not such a good singer as MJ.
Shakuntala.
Michael Jackson.
Yes.
Jessica.
No, I think
Maria Jessica.
everyone-
The
but I
Adele
love
of
that.
Bangalore.
Adele.
She's
Adele.
Adele of Bangalore.
Adele Anandabo.
So,
Eli Nange.
so I'm Maria Jessica KP. I work as a HR.
Hey. Her.
So, I mean, I love doing that because it's like people management. But also
No.
annoying at times.
Workplace, point the note.
Very good. Very
Note
honest.
that point.
Very
the
honest.
workplace, the workplace.
But it's every day is a new day, so every day is new situations. So that's something which is fun.
Every day.
Joshua,
Ma'am, nothing, ma'am. I'm driving. You talk, please.
and then so yeah, and then I do like little singing, a part of some.
Little,
It seems there.
Little.
yeah.
No. Fun fact. I actually met her at a festival called South Zone Festival, where they have like all different universities come together and they compete. And she was one of the people that sang there. And I believe her team came second place, first place.
That's second for group and I got first.
Yeah, she got first for solo singing and South Zone level. So
Why do you call him prof?
Okay, this just something between us. We had something called the Cyril University, okay?
oh.
It is technically a university where it is deemed to be, but it's a
Deemed to be.
university.
Yeah, it's deemed to be.
Oh my god.
It is a university where you learn. It's a university where you learn about Rowan and his behavior.
Wow.
If you see us, if you see moms doing like this, see us talking in different languages,
And the fuck.
weird hand signals, yeah,
Yes,
the
yes,
fucks,
yes.
the cucks,
Soft cuts.
all
Yeah.
that and all is Cyril University syllabus. Yeah, see that also. Me and for the mods are we have this
They've
they
taken
got
the-
degree.
Yeah,
Who's
they got
father?
the
If
degree
you
of
don't
being
know
father.
Hey,
who's
Father
Father
Marks.
Marks, please watch the trivia episode.
Yeah, go on the trivia.
How are you just shouting in the
Kissing.
audience? If you haven't watched, go.
Go.
She's literally giving a shout out.
She's actually shouting it too.
Guys, please go watch, no? Please
Yeah.
give a like, no?
Yeah.
And give a comment also, like
Yeah.
that only. And share the video to your friends.
And
family.
Sarapakarai.
Sarapakarai.
Subscribe
Okay.
and bell button मार दो. अच्छा होता है जिंदगी के लिए.
Yeah.
हाँ बहुत बहुत
ओहो बहुत
बहुत अच्छा
बहुत
होता है.
बहुत
कुछ कुछ होता है.
बहुत
कभी खुशी कभी गम
Hey, Gamma.
Hindi.
So yeah, me
We
and
speak
Father
Hindi.
Mods have got degree from there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cyrus is still
Backlog.
first standard fail.
Cyrus is
David is down with arrears.
Yeah.
So
He's down with the youth.
He got TC now, Cyrus.
yeah, that is the scene.
For me, I've been 1 month enrolled into Cyril University and I'm already in like 10th grade.
10th grade.
10th grade. Hey, no. We should only pass.
That is professor shit, you tell.
No.
I'm like the principal, so all the
Yeah, so
fathers
you
will
tell
take
me.
care. The fathers are here.
I think I'm in kindergarten.
Kindergarten?
And Fred and Lauren have been like best
Chuddy
of
buddies.
friends for
Yes,
like
best friends
how long?
for life.
Like literally chuddy buddies.
Literally, they wear each other's chutney.
It's been 16 years. It's been 16 years of friendship with Rohan.
Moms, tell us what this friendship
He
is.
has seen all my phases.
All the phases.
All the phases.
The short hair, long hair.
Short hair, long hair, goth phase,
Everything.
emo phase, everything he has seen.
Yeah, I've seen even weight loss transformation.
Yeah. Transformation, all that is.
Everyone, question.
Question.
What is one food
Food.
that you will eat for the rest of your life?
DBC.
If you don't know Prof, he can finish 3 DBCs in one sitting.
We have some peeps who are from different places in the YouTube channel who follow us. So a DBC is what's called as Death by Chocolate, by a specific place called Corner.
Yes.
Which is only in Bangalore.
This is only in
Lassi is
Bangalore.
also a DBC, don't try it.
Yeah, no. Don't go anywhere. See, many places have DBC, but you should not try it. You'll come to Bengaluru and you go to Corner.
On corner, one house will be there.
On Corner.
Moolavi.
That's
Definitely.
Moolamani.
It
That
doesn't
place.
look anything like our house. Don't get
One nice one cake, one ice cream with chocolate syrup and cream and some cherries and peanuts on top.
Yeah! Prof, roasted peanuts.
Roasted peanuts.
Nice golden brown
Yeah.
roasted. Oh my god.
And the cherry on top.
Beauty.
Is the cherry on
It's
top.
3
There's a
cherries,
cherry on
by
top.
the way.
Yeah, 3 cherries.
3 cherries.
3 cherries on
That is
top.
meant to. Eric told something in that term what the wasabi does now.
It just kicks it.
Just kicks it.
So when it becomes too much of chocolate,
It is a feel.
For me,
If
it
you're
would
stuck
be.
in a place and you have only that food, it should be which food?
I think.
which food?
Which food? Yeah. I think it would be
By the way, yours is not
chicken
a
biryani.
Hello?
biryani.
Chicken biryani. Chicken biryani. Yeah.
Chicken biryani.
Mom, chicken
You
biryani,
would
not
eat
biryani
that
only, mom.
every day?
No. Chicken biryani is because one is it's kind of a lean meat. It has protein. It has carbohydrates.
Mom,
Oh, like
what,
that.
mom?
See, biryani also you'll see that no, Angani craft.
Yeah.
Chicken biryani.
So I think I would ration it out, and it has even with curd.
My least favorite biryani, chicken biryani.
Mom.
Yeah. If you eat biryani, it should be mutton.
It should be mutton or go
They
full
don't want to
veg
hear me, guys.
Mhm.
and then chicken half.
Okay. Very nice.
Shakuntala.
Like,
How do I explain
I
my
feel like
food?
she doesn't
she,
How do you
want to
I
explain?
hear
know, I'm
Oh,
telling you,
yeah.
no. That's
We
what,
want to know
one
what
thing
it
is coming, one pot is coming.
Pot is coming.
Pot is coming.
Don't tell Kalki.
Not that kind of pot. Oh,
Yesterday only she tried.
Yesterday only first time.
Yeah, that's
For the first time in her life.
but like soul food is Narden food. For Narden is basically like food made in Kerala.
Wow.
But they call it Narden food because you get it like Kerala restaurants now everywhere.
Narden food.
Not
Yeah,
Wow.
so it's basically chatti chor.
chatti chor.
chor.
Yeah.
Chutney chor.
And
Wow.
usually it's like a very healthy, balanced diet, which is in that chatti chor. Because you have like all the veggies, you have all the, like, you have little rice, but you have so many things that complement that particular thing. And people like put fish and have it, or like they put beef and have it.
You can say.
Beef, I can say.
Same, ma'am. It's a free country.
Yeah.
Go.
Mama. As soon as he sees coffee, does his day, fellow.
And we're just gonna
This is my
cut him
cop
like
alarm.
that. Ah.
Mahima.
For me,
Brain lag. Heavy
You
brain lag.
like fast food, no?
no. For me, it's noodles. Any kind of noodles.
Hey,
Hey, I like noodles.
Like ragi, ramen,
Raggy.
Ragi.
spaghetti,
Spaghetti
cordito, any type of
Body.
noodles. That's
Ragi.
all. I'm good with noodles.
Yeah, for me it's always burgers. Man. Good
Hey,
burgers.
Burger.
Good
Flipping
burger.
burgers.
A nice smashed beef
Yeah,
cheese.
smash.
okay, thank you, Dalsia.
I am
Thank you,
telling
burger.
you, there's nothing like a good burger.
Yeah, boy.
Me
What
and-
do you know what the moral of the story is? After finishing all of this food, you can come to DB and then still work out.
Okay, Peeps, let's play a game.
What?
Y'all decide a game.
I have a game.
Get to know
Come
each
on.
other better.
I have a game.
Does he not have a game, dumb again?
It's called categories.
Okay, categories. Okay.
So first round is Jessica versus Mahima. The category is female artists. So start placing your bets. How many female artists can Mahima name in 30 seconds? Can you start with 4?
Yeah.
Start with, yeah.
I can get 5.
6? Okay.
I can go 7.
I can go 8.
I can go 9.
Okay.
This is like auction.
I will start.
Wait.
One minute, give me
She
one
called
minute.
nonsense.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, she called nonsense.
Start the time. 3, 2, 1, start naming.
Sarah Black, Prithvi Prajosh, Prithvi Prakash,
Prithvi
Zeba-
Prajosh is male.
Sorry, Prithvi Prakash, Zeba Tomi, Nikki Chaudhary, Sai Shruti, Shreya Ghoshal, Neha Kakkar, two more. Taylor Swift, Selena Gomez.
Wow! So she wins the
Nice.
first round.
She is 1 point.
And she directly qualifies to the finals. So the categories for you is for Joshua versus Rohan.
Saleh.
Yeah.
Is how many Rajinikanth movies
Wow. Okay.
can
That is so
you
hard.
name in 30 seconds?
I'll open with 5.
Yeah, 6. Okay.
6.
Hey. Oh,
7.
Okay.
I'm
Other movies.
going to get cocked up on it. 7.
7. You can do 8. Yeah.
9.
Now it's actually. Call me. Call nonsense.
11.
Nonsense, Haji. Nonsense.
Oh.
What is this?
11 films.
11 movies. 30 seconds. 11 Rajinikanth movies. Go.
Padayappa, Arunachalam, Basha, Kala, Kabali, Vetayan, Kuselan, Coolie, Kala, Kabali, I've told. Oh shit. Okay. Wait. Kala, Kabali,
I think you finished.
Kuselan.
Yeah, 3 more. 5 seconds left.
Arunachalam, I've told.
Yeah.
Yeah, I told.
Arunachalam, I've told. Indira.
Hey, you can't help. Okay, time up.
I didn't say the movie name.
Ron gets a point. Let's go.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
9, I told, no?
Yeah.
Shit,
Yeah,
I
yeah,
messed
yeah.
up in between.
Jailer, you could have told them. Okay.
Oh yeah, Jailer, I left the one more thing about
Padayappa. No.
Chandramukhi.
Basha, Annamalai,
Chandramukhi. Basha, I told.
You
Annamalai, I
didn't
told.
say what is that? T.
Ranga, Apurva Ragangal.
Old movie.
Oh, the old.
Old
Apurva
Apurva
Ragangal, yeah. So me and Mahima.
So you and Mahima. The category is countries in Asia.
What?
Countries in
that is
Asia.
simple.
Countries in Asia. Wa.
Yeah.
2.
2.
That's a 2.
3.
4.
5.
Neighboring countries only you can tell so many.
6.
You literally have
7.
8.
8. Mahima?
9.
Hey.
9. 9.
Nonsense.
She calls
Oh,
it nonsense.
he calls it nonsense.
speaks.
Okay, Mahima, 9 countries, Asian countries, okay? 3, 2, 1, go.
India, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bhutan, North Korea, South Korea. Over. Done.
One more.
Yeah, 9.
One more.
Oh.
Over.
yeah.
No, one more is there.
Afghanistan.
70
Sorry.
seconds.
Joshua,
lost both.
You lost
Shit.
both rounds.
Shit. Okay.
Rohan Cyril versus Mahima. For the finals,
Finals.
how many indie artists can you name in 30 seconds?
Oh.
Indie was podcast.
4.
4. Rohan?
5.
5.
7.
8.
Oh, mine was confident. I think she's winning. I think she's winning the game.
9.
10.
Nonsense.
Okay,
Let's go.
10 indie artists in 30 seconds. Your
Your
time
time
starts now.
Stanley Xavier, Prithvi Prajosh, Prithvi Prakash, Ashwin, Priyamani, Sarah Black, Zeba Tomi, Nikki Chaudhary,
All shout-outs, sorry.
and Saya Jankar, Offro.
Yeah.
Yes.
How can she took 17 seconds? What the heck?
Wow.
Hello, what shout outs you're telling? Shout out again to all of them.
That's why you need to be part of it. We were
Nice. So Mahima is the winner of this game categories. Well job, good job, Mahima.
I know you give me money, no.
But for third place, we can have Rohan versus Jessica.
Yeah.
Come on.
How many
Uh,
cosmetic products can you name in 30 seconds?
I will start.
Can I help you a little bit?
Fine.
Yeah, Mom?
No, this is how you can play this game.
Okay, fine.
You can start
Okay,
betting.
fine.
You can start betting
No,
even
no,
up
yeah,
to
fine.
20 or
6.
30 and then call nonsense and
Wait.
put her on the spot.
You can, go on.
6,
Seven,
8,
Wow.
9,
10.
11.
Nonsense.
Okay, 30 cosmetic products.
11.
Sorry, 11 cosmetic products in 30 seconds. Your time starts now.
Eyeliner, kajal, foundation, concealer.
Hey, all that names I know.
This one, the nail polish. Then what is this? Makeup remover.
No, that is not there.
Makeup remover is there. And then we have blush, eyeshadow. Then you have what is this?
That one
Setting
only.
spray.
Time?
And then setting spray.
That only.
And then, no, he did. This is not it. And then lipstick.
Time.
Yeah.
Oh, she just got
But
it.
she got lipstick before.
She got
Yeah.
Oh, she got lipstick
No, I
before.
didn't say lipstick.
In the starting, you tell me.
Oh,
We started in the
my
heat.
gosh. So wait, did she get or no?
No, I said.
You didn't get. Oh,
Because
thank you for
it's
being
just
honest. Thank you for being honest.
Anyways, I think that is all the time we have for this video.
But if you want more such content, do let us know in the comments.
See, this is what we call as drive with us.
Drive.
Yeah.
So if this can become a series, we don't know.
But anyways, peeps.
Thank you for watching.
Yeah, same thing I was going to say.
Yeah.
Follow,
We'll see you
subscribe,
soon.
give a like, bell
Yes.
button.
And on that note,
Yes, back
Hey.
to OG days.
Hey.
And on that very, very note,
bye.
see you.
See ya.
Tata. Mom, do. Puchuku, puchuku.
What happened?
Oh, Kurma Press. Oh, no.
Where is Mahima's house? That's only Mahima's house.
Mahima.
Mahima. Bye. Please say bye.
Breakfast.
Bye.
2 rupees idli.
We go eat 2 rupees idli?
Music.
Fun.